Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Don't stress over things you can't control. Good morning, my shining stars. This is Junior Islamia School and College Faisalabad, and I am Mr. Gulzar. Welcome in English class. Beta, our today's topic is application writing. Before starting our topic, let's discuss SLOs of today's lecture. But after this lecture, you would be able to tell what is application writing, 5 steps of application writing, purpose of application writing, and you will be able to create application in your own words. Beta, application is a formal request which you make to an authoritative person when you want a permission, you need a permission, you write an application to make a request to some authoritative person. Now let's come towards the steps of application writing. But there are 5 steps of application writing. First one is addressing application. Address of the application, in address you write the address of the person to whom you are writing the application. Okay, suppose the address of the application will be the principal. You are writing the application to the principal. The principal is the most authoritative person in the school, so you write the application to the principal, and then you will write the name of the school. You are studying in Junior Islamia School, so you will write Junior Islamia School and College, and then you will write the name of the city. It is located in the city of Faisalabad, so you will write here Faisalabad, and keep all these points in your mind while writing the application. The format of the application should be in a correct form, and after the principal you will put the comma. If you will not put comma, beta, your marks will be deducted. So it is compulsory to put comma after the principal. Then Junior Islamia School and College, you can see that the first letter of every word is capital. So it will be in capital form. Junior C is capital, Islamia I is capital, school S is capital, and college C is capital, and after college you will put comma. Then you will write the name of the city on next line, like Faisalabad, F will be capital, and after the name of the city you will put full stop. The second step is subject of the application, but it is very important point to mention the subject of the application. So whatever the application you are writing on, whatever the topic on which you are writing the application, you will mention the subject of that application. Suppose you are writing the application to attend the marriage party of your brother or sister, so you will write the subject application to attend the marriage party of brother. Whether it is brother or sister, you will write, you will mention the name of your brother or sister. Third part is application body. In application body, beta, you will write the purpose, the reason of the application writing. You request somebody in the body. So you will write respected madam. R will be capital, M will be capital, and after that you will put comma, and then you will start writing the application. You will write the purpose of the application in the body. Fourth part is thanking note. But in this the fourth part you write the thanking note. You thank some person if he or she accept your application. So you write that I shall be thankful to you for this act of kindness. If he or she accepts your application, then you write the thanking note in the fourth part. Then is closing. Yours obediently, Y will be capital, and in yours there will be no apostrophe. Yours, Y will be capital, obediently, O will be small, and after that you will put comma. And on the same line you will write the date of that day. It can vary, beta, whatever the date whatever the date you are writing, you will mention that date. Suppose today is 14th April, so I have mentioned here April 14, 2021, and on next line you will write XYZ. It will be capital. In exams you don't mention your name, but when you send your application to the school, you are sick and you want leave, then you mention the name of, you mention your name, your class and your roll number. Okay, if you are sending application to the school for the you have urgent piece of work, you want to attend marriage party, or you are sick, then you will mention the name, your name. Okay, your name and your class. But if you are writing the application in exams, you will not mention the name and you will write just here XYZ. Now beta, this is a sample application in front of you. This is just a sample application beta. You may create it, you may use your own idea to write the application. This is just a sample application. Beta, this is your home task. You will write an application to attend marriage party on workbook page number 70. First of all, you will mention date and day on the page, and then you will write the application on workbook page number 70. This is all about today beta. Take care. Have a blessed day. Allah Hafiz.